This is the most affordable camper for full-time living for two. This is a Cougar half-ton 25 RES, and this sucker is on clearance from 65,416 clams to 45,520 clams. She's equipped with the Climate Guard protection, so depending where you are in the country, you will get 4-season camping. You got a mount for a backup camera up here, outdoor shower in the back, as well as a 2-inch receiver hitch. But alright, we got a ladder to our fully walkable roof with some solar up top. Nice outdoor camp kitchen here. The Capital stainless steel grill is next to our mini fridge instead of under it like those other models. Not this one though, not this one. We got a nice little 15-foot awning here with the LED strip underneath, a couple of outdoor speakers out here, and then a big ol' honking pass-through. Great spot for hanging out. This is the other end of the pass-through here. You see we got all our water connections, external shower here as well. There's your key TV hookup, little cable. Let's get inside this beefcake, see what she has to offer. Oh, wowie zowie, would you look at that? Start in the very back of this John. Nice rear window here, functions as your emergency exit. To the left of that, we got the 4K smart TV, electric fireplace down below, and here's your sound system. That sucker will connect to these speakers up top and the ones outside. If you're sleeping guests, this couch and this booth dinette will both convert into sleeping. Bop, now you got a bed here and a bed here. They ain't the most comfortable, but they're for sleeping your guests, not long-term stays. Kitchen in here is pretty standard, nothing crazy. Decent amount of countertop space though. You got the cutting board on top. This thing is undermounted so you can wipe the crumbs in here really easily. You got the detachable faucet. Oven, not huge, but it gets the job done. 3-burner gas stove and a microwave. Let's head on up the stairs. Take a left, we got the bathroom. Down below, porcelain foot flush toilet. Standing shower here, got a seat though, and a skylight. To the left of the shower, we got a towel closet with a door to keep the poopy germs away. And then we got a big old medicine cabinet here to store all your toiletries. A lot of drawer space in this bathroom as well. And then finally, let's head to the very front of this camper into our bedroom. We got a queen bed up here, plastic storage underneath, and a lot of it stays up on its own. Of course, you can mount a TV across, you got your hookups, and then you got a nice big wardrobe glide, tons and tons of space for all your clothing. Got some drawer action in there as well, pretty dope. Then even more cupboard space like all around your bed. AC up top, that's one of 2 AC units. Just so you're aware, the other AC unit is right here in our living room. If you got any questions on this clearance camper, you want to make it yours, please give me a call. The phone number is in the bio.